Hey everyone, it's Mike Bond with Hard Money Mike, and today I want to go over why new investors need hard money loans. We all understand in real estate investing, we create wealth and income using other people's money. Part of that options is hard money loans. So I want to go over the benefits of using hard money loans compared to other options that are out there, especially for the new investor. Number one, most hard money lenders are relational. They're local. They're people in your community. They want to see their community built back up. So they're more relational. They'll work with new investors, walking them through the process, helping them understand different nuances of the local market. Number two, hard money loans are typically not score-based. They do look at credit, but they're not score-based. Number three, hard money lenders are not experience-based. They're more deal-based. They want to make sure you get good deals that create that wealth and that income. So they are out there looking for borrowers who find good deals. And that is what you should be looking for too, are good deals. As a new investor, take your time. Less deals that are good is a lot better than a lot of deals that are bad. So don't get emotional, find the good deals, and the lenders will love you too. Number four, they're flexible. That means, if you need to cross-lien another property, if you have a unique property, anything like that, they will work with you. They'll look at land in commercial buildings, anything in their community. It does not just have to be a single family. Maybe it's a single family that needs to be added on. Flexibility with hard money lenders is a key because the Wall Street money, all they do is they want to fit in their box. If the box does not fit a deal, they're not going to do it. As I mentioned before, hard money lenders also can fund more. They can fund up to 100% based on the LTV. So go out and find a good deal and you get more funding. You can get up to 100% by finding the good deals or having another property to cross-lien. They, as I said before, are flexible, so you could increase your leverage by going through a hard money lender. Hard money lenders are fast. Typically, you're closing in days and not weeks. You're not waiting for appraisals and underwriting, all those things. So when you find a good deal, hard money lenders can close in days and not weeks. Another thing, a lot of hard money lenders will look at other options than first. They'll look at a second or third. If you're looking for gap funding or finish a project, they are there to help you. So reach out, make sure you have a good number of hard money lenders in your community. Another big benefit that hard money lenders have is they can pre-fund your escrow. They can start the project. Most of the big equity firms out there require that you start the project and then they'll reimburse you. So what happens if you don't have that money? If you're tight, if you have more than one project going, hard money lenders can and will help you get going by pre-funding your escrow to start the project. Hard money lenders also do all sizes of loans. They'll fund a $50,000 or $110,000 loan, where a lot of the big equity firms just don't like this size loan. So if you're new to investing, you understand that leverage is king to make and create that wealth and income. Part of that is using hard money lenders. And hard money is not for just the new investors. A lot of the experienced investors still use hard money when they need to close quick, when their credit score may have dropped because of certain projects, when they have a unique deal that they need funded, when that's something that's too small or it's a second or third that the equity companies won't do. Hard money lending is something you should always have in your tool belt, especially for beginners. What you need to do is reach out and find the local hard money lenders in your community, see how they can help you, start the conversation. Remember I said they're relational, so you need to create those relationships. Don't be afraid of hard money. I know sometimes it gets a bad name out there, but it's what built real estate investing. It's what's always been there. And it's really based on the assets, so it doesn't always require the most experience. It doesn't require the most money in or the credit score. As a new investor, you should always have everything in your toolbox, including hard money loans. If you are new to investing, go check out Hard Money Mike. We got a lot of great free tools there, like the loan cost optimizer, where you can go and compare different lenders, see who's giving you the best terms and the best dollar amount for your project. At the end of this, it's all about creating wealth and income for you, and you need all these tools. You need the knowledge to do that, and you need hard money lenders and hard money loans to create this wealth. Now let's go create some wealth, and we'll see you on the next video.